Welcome back to Dadskillz. Today you find me with two reprobates. Here they are.
Hello.
I'm not going to spend a lot of time in front of the video today because these children are far cuter than I could ever be. So, whose bedroom are we in?
Mine. It's
What?
mine.
This is not your bedroom, Mark.
You don't have a big enough bedroom for that.
So, let's have a look at what we're going to do.
Govee.
Govee. So you may recognise this box from a video I did about a week ago. And since we've all been in discussion as to who gets the lights.
Yeah, I have a bit too much Govee lights.
You've got a lot of lights. Haven't
Yeah.
It's going to.
I've got loads.
And the winner. And the winner.
We've seen these lights in my other video. If you've not seen that, I'll link it up now. So, should we plug them in quickly?
Yes.
And see what we're working with?
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.
Have you dressed up especially for this occasion as well?
Yes.
And what is it?
Scamp and Dude
Scamp and
tracksuit.
Dude. Christmas. Early Christmas present.
Yeah.
Very nice. You know what to expect when you buy Govee. You've got all those different colours. It's RGBIC as well, so we can have the segments lit up.
Music mode.
Very nice.
I think. Yeah.
Right, turn it off for a minute then, and we'll have a look where we're going to put it. What's wrong?
Nothing.
What do you mean, nothing?
My hair went frizzy.
Your hair went a bit weird. Okay.
There.
So, this is our little space, isn't it? Then you've got lights over there.
Yeah.
Very nice. This is the desk. Got a socket down there, which is cool. So we're going to come from there up this cheeky little side here, so it'll light up that little gap there. Maybe along the atop the ceiling.
Yeah, I agree.
And I think by the time we get over here somewhere, we'll have run out of
Space.
rope light, won't we? I think. So what have we got to attach them with? We've got these things. I don't think that sticky label on its own will be good enough, so we will.
There's Velcro here as well.
We'll use that Velcro. Very nice. Well, let's start, shall we? Hello.
Hello.
Just need to see what size. Does it say on there? What size our wall plug is?
Hammer. Drill.
Hammer and drill.
Father.
Hello. Cool. I think I'm going to go with that one.
He's armed.
We're armed and ready, guys. Right, if you've not seen this thing before, we made this for another video, actually. And it worked really well. It'll stop us having to put dust sheets down. And it means I can put the hoover on, put that, or find my hole. Put that against the wall, and it'll suck all the dust away.
There's
So,
the hoover.
huh?
The hoover
The hoover.
is lovely and magical.
It's a magical hoover. Have you got a pencil like that, please?
A pencil.
Yeah.
Where is my pencils? Oh, there. Lovely pencil for you.
Thanks, right. So the bottom one is going to be something like that, which is there. Okay. Well, there's one. A few more to go.
Dadskillz in his natural habitat. This is where you can find him every single day of the year.
Hello. It's fantastic having a video recordist. Makes life a bit easier, doesn't it? Okay, and then we'll just fit this into its little housing.
This is the light.
Oh. Right, that is 32.5. So this is 32. 2.5 again, which is there somewhere. Right, are you ready to look at your glowed up with Govee bedroom?
Yes.
Turn around now.
Whoa.
I reckon it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? What are you doing?
Dadskillz.
Well, that turned out really well. Thanks for watching, and take a look at the video on screen now. I think you'll enjoy it. Catch you later.